Hi guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video we are going to be looking at the Fast and Furious Rewind series from Hot Wheels. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. So first up we'll start with this one. We have Nissan Skyline, which is supposed to resemble the Nissan Skyline from the first film. So they've basically taken some of the popular cars or known cars from the various films and put them into their older style cars with the same liveries. It's quite a cool idea. Let's get the first one opened up. So here we have the first one. This is the Nissan Skyline. Pretty cool in the yellow. See there with the license plate. As with all premiums, real rider wheels, metal base. So there is the Skyline C21. Next we have Nissan Fairlady Z, which is the car from Tokyo Drift livery. And there is the Fairlady Z. Resemble DK's car from Tokyo Drift. Metal base with real riders. Next we have Nissan Silvia, again Tokyo Drift. Sylvia. Really like the blue colouring on this one. Nissan Silvia. Again, resembling the newer Silvia, which was in the film Tokyo Drift. Next we have Meza RX-3. This one arrived to me already half open, so already wanted to make an escape this car. And there it is. This livery is Dom's car in the first one. The question is, are they going to be doing any other rewinds? I wonder if we'll be seeing any more in the series. That is the Meza RX-3. And last but by no means least, my favourite one out of the whole set, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX, which I wonder if you can guess which one this is resembling. Is the Nissan Skyline to resemble the Too Fast Too Furious Skyline. Definitely my favourite one from the whole set. Quite cool with the intercooler sticking out the front. Wide arches. And that is the Nissan Skyline. Yeah, I'm definitely going with this one as my favourite from the Rewind series. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite from the series, but I think this one definitely wins it for me. So that's the Nissan Skyline, along with the Fairlady Z. Silvia, and the Meza RX-3. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you're new, give us a subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, comment, let me know which is your favourite out of the set, and I will see you on the next video.